What's up, online shoppers? I just found the most adorable lights to decorate my Christmas tree with, but truthfully, they could be used for all kinds of different decorations, and I already have a set on order for my niece so she can decorate her dorm room. Let's open up and see how cute these are. Now, these are a little bit different from the regular Christmas lights, and honestly, they kind of remind me of like a pastel candy. They are these really adorable little globe lights, and unlike most lights, they come on a black string, and I imagine this black string is just going to blend right into our Christmas tree. So this is 33 feet of lights. Now you get all of these lights and you get a little remote. And the only thing you have to supply is a block to plug the USB in so that you can have power. Pull the plastic out so we can use the remote. I have a little block here, so I'm just going to plug the lights into the block, and then we'll plug the block in so we can see what this looks like. I am so excited. Oh, these are awesome. Oh my God, I can't take it. Oh my gosh, look at these. Now these are awesome Christmas lights. Look at how pretty those are. Here is the little remote right here. So when they plug in, they are just doing this like transitional flowy thing where they're going from one color to the next, but I can pick all kinds of different things. I can pick the colors I want, and depending on which one of these three buttons here I press, I can get different color combinations. There is the CS combination. You can see how those colors look like. Here is the C3 combination. You can see how it changes to like pinks and purples. And then we have the C7, and this is like a much more brilliant, bright color. Now, something else that's cool is this will actually sync to your music. Now there is an app that you can put on your phone that will allow you to control your lights and sync them to your music. So if this isn't cool enough for you already, you can actually have your lights responding to the music you're playing on your phone through the app. It has a timer for either 30 minutes or an hour, and you can go through a wide variety of lighting functions. I am mesmerized by this. It's just so pretty. Look at that. Now, with the remote, you can adjust the lights going from right to left or left to right down the string, which is a little bit hard to see because I kind of just have them clumped up on my hand, but if I stretch it out for you, you'll be able to see what the lights look like when they're a little bit more straight. So here is the string of lights across like that, and if I am asking it to go one way or another, you can actually watch the lights change from one direction to the next. So cool. Now these are waterproof, so you can use them outside, you can use them inside, Christmas tree, dorm room, wedding decorations. These colors here are also giving me Easter decorations or spring. So you have so much variety with this. These are truly awesome little lights. I'm so pleased with them. I can't wait to put them into action. I'm certain these are going to be a family favorite at my house.